If you're launching something right now, a shop, a service, a side project, you need a brand before you can really sell anything. Everything you're looking at right now, the logo, the color system, the app screens, that video ad, I made all of it in one sitting. No designer, no design background. I just described what I wanted in plain English. Building a full brand identity has always been expensive and slow. Thousands of dollars, weeks of revisions. That's just how it's been. Here's how much of that I got done in one sitting. The tool is Lovart, and I'm building a complete brand identity from scratch for a company that doesn't exist. And by the end of this, you'll be able to run this exact same workflow for your own thing. Let's go. Real quick, before I type anything, see this row of buttons under the prompt bar? These are your shortcuts. The first few are the AI models. That's what's powering the generation under the hood. The ones that actually matter for us are these: design, branding, e-commerce, and video. They tell Lovart what kind of job you're asking for. I'm tapping branding because I want a full identity, not a random image. Then you give it the details: your brand name, a one-line description of your business, who it's for, the tone you want, your colors, and a rough idea for the logo. That's your prompt. The more specific you get here, the less you're fixing later. Hit generate. And look at that. Logo directions, a color feel, a whole visual mood from one prompt. Now, first pass, Lovart gave me everything mashed into one big board. Logo, colors, mockups, all jammed together. That's not useful if I actually need to export pieces separately. So here's the trick. I go back into chat and ask for just the logo. Then a separate prompt for just the color palette. One asset type per prompt. That's the move if you want clean, exportable pieces instead of one crowded poster. All right, now we're generating a font that matches our theme, and this one surprised me. There's a font generator built in, and instead of describing what I want, I just upload the logo I already generated. It reads the logo and comes back with typography that actually matches it. Same weight, same personality, same energy. Which is the right way round, honestly. Your logo and your type sit next to each other on everything you make, so they'd better agree. Once I've got a logo, color palette, and font I like, I save them into the brand kit. I drop in the logo, the colors, the font, and I write a quick design guidance note. Why does this matter? Because from this point on, everything I generate pulls from this brand kit automatically. With the brand kit locked in, I ask for a batch, a membership pricing graphic, an app screen showing the game library, an Instagram announcement post, a promo banner, and a website hero section. All for Driftwave Studio in one request. And just watch this canvas fill up. 6 assets generated together, and they all actually look like the same brand. Same navy and electric blue palette, same signal wave style, same energy. Say I don't love the headline on the promo banner. I don't have to regenerate the whole thing. I click straight onto the edit text like this and edit the text directly. Watch how fast that updates. Same thing works for a button label, a price, even moving an element around. Small feature, but it's the difference between an image generator and an actual design tool you can fine-tune. Last piece, turning a static asset into video. I pick the strongest visual from the batch and ask Lovart to turn it into a 10-second vertical video, ready for Reels and TikTok. A pulsing signal wave animation, a glowing logo reveal at the end, same brand colors throughout. And that's the part that gets me every time. Same navy and electric palette, same feel as everything else we built. So now Driftwave Studio has a logo, a color system, font, a full page of marketing assets, and a short-form video. And I built all of it in one sitting, inside one tool. And obviously this isn't just for gaming brands. Same exact workflow works for a local cafe, a handmade candle shop, a skincare founder, a real estate agent, or somebody launching their first digital product. If you want to try this yourself, Lovart also gives you free daily credits to try things out. And if you want to build more complete brand workflows like this, the basic plan is already very practical. It can support around 5 brand design workflows similar to what we built today. which makes it a really strong value for creators, small businesses, and solo founders. If this helped you, drop a like, and if you want more straight-up, no-fluff AI tutorials, subscribe. I post breakdowns like this every week. I'll catch you in the next one.